Hi, Dr. Kapil Govil. Welcome you in this video. In this video, we will discuss how to print this pattern. So here in this video, we will discuss algorithm of printing this pattern. Here we can see that this pattern is in combination of rows and columns. Here some rows are there. This is row, 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 row and row, and these are columns. Some rows and columns are there. So because some rows and columns are there, that's why we have to take two loops. Two loops means nested loops. So solving this pattern, we have taken a template. Here we have taken nested loop for printing this series. And so first of all, we should understand how this series is working. Here we can see that from top to bottom, one number is either increasing or decreasing. See, this number from top to bottom is decreasing. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It means we can say that this is row number 5, this is row number 4, row number 3, row number 2 and row number 1. So we will say this is I. So it means I should be 5 to 1. So we will write 5 to 1. Because I is converting from 5 to 1, it means it's decreasing. So because it is decreasing, we should write minus sign here so that it will decrease. Next, how many numbers are there in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1 and 2. 2 and this is 1. It means whatever row number is there, this counting will be the same. It means if we are writing j equal to 1 to I, so what is the value of I at the first instance? That is 5. So j will be 1 to 5. It means 5 times. And then I will be 4. It means j will be 1 to 4. I will be 3. It means j will be 1 to 3 and so on. So if we are writing j equal to 1 to I, so we have to put minus or plus sign here. So how? 1 to I. What is the maximum value of I? That is 5. So if we are writing 1 to 5, it means it's increasing. Because it is increasing, that's why we have to write plus sign. Now, what we have to print here? We have to print value of I. What is the value of I here? That is 5. What is the value of I here? That is 4. I is 3, I is 2, I is 1. It means if we are printing I, it will print the same pattern. And after each row, how row? It means after completion of each column in one row, we have to change the line. So that's why we have written this statement. So here, after completion of all the columns, we have written print /n. /n stands for new line. However, you can use any other statement to change the line. So I hope this concept is now clear to you. Still, if you have any doubt or any query, then you can write in comment section. I will try my level best to solve your query. Here, I would like to request you one small thing, that if you are watching this video on YouTube channel, then please subscribe this channel. And if you are watching this video on Facebook page, then please follow this page. So thanks for watching this video.